Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Catalyst Influence case. This is for the iPhone 13, the phone that was released in last year. It's a 6.1 inch screen case, and this is suitable for 5G and wireless charging because it has the MagSafe ring built in. Here's the case. Here's what it looks like inside. So if you have that MagSafe, it'll connect to that, the magnets right there. And this is a patented mute switch that turns. This is the only case that has a turnable mute switch cover right there. And then you have the volume keys and of course the power key right there. So that's what it looks like on the inside. This part here is raised to block the glass from getting hit when dropped. And on the back you can see the camera cluster covering is raised also to keep that safe if it's dropped. It's rated for up to 10 feet. And at the bottom of the case it has these forward facing speaker holes, so the sound comes down from the speaker from the phone and then shoots up forward, and you get actually 30% louder sound with just that one feature. So we like that a lot. It comes with the lanyard, so that's cool. And this is the Catalyst Influence case with the MagSafe technology built in. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.